Hello, my name is Sophie and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you've joined me, I hope you find my videos interesting and helpful, and if you're joining me again, thank you. Today is a video all about cutting glass badly, which is what I did yesterday. I had such a bad day, I nearly gave up. So this was the glass I was working on, and it's water glass, which is usually an easy glass to cut. But weirdly, this is a 4mm water glass, whereas normally it's 3mm. So I had one sheet of 4mm and I had one sheet of 3mm. So I selected my 4mm for the big window because I've got lots of little windows and I thought I'd do those with the 3mm. So I started cutting and it just kept going wrong and wrong and wrong and breaking, and I thought, what's the matter with me? Am I just having a bad day? So you will see my terrible cutting coming up, and then you will see how I fixed it. So this is a troubleshooting basically video. So yeah, I'll speed it all up so you don't have to watch hours of bad cutting and then you will see how to fix it. So I hope you find it interesting, and thank you for watching.
The first cut that I tried that went wrong was just a straight across with a ruler of the sheet, and instead of it going straight across, it went off at an angle, and that's what you can see on my light box here. So I wasn't recording at the time, but that was my very first cut, so that boded ill.
So sometimes things go well and sometimes they don't. Today they're going a bit rubbish. Ah, this glass is awful. I hate it. Right. Hateful glass. Okay. This is going to be very sad if it goes wrong, because I'm going to have to get some more. Right, I'm now pushing really hard when I cut because this is just so horrible. Buses have been in long decline outside London, with thousands of routes slashed and tens of thousands of passenger miles lost since time. This stuff is horrible. So I'm cutting so badly today, I decided to check. I got no oil in my cutter. You see, when it goes wrong once, you go, oh, unlucky. And it goes twice, you go, oh, okay, unlucky. 3 times you go, is it the glass? Eventually, penny drops. Okay, let's refill. Right, I couldn't find oil. I must have finished it. But I found an old cutter with some oil in. So in it goes. So, note to self, on next buying trip, don't get them mixed up. Well, wasn't that interesting? Now, you see that oil there, I don't know if you can see, that just came out when I... So, let's see if the cutting's a bit better now. This stuff is really tough to break.